Hello, everyone. Do you want to start developing games, but you don't know how to start? In this series, you will learn how to develop games from very beginning. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. What is Unity? Unity is a game engine tool used to create games for mobile, PC, console. Games like Among Us were all built using Unity engine. Inside Unity, you can design environments, add characters, write code using C#, add physics, sound, and animations. Everything you see in a game movement, jumping, shooting, is controlled inside Unity. Let's install Unity and get you ready to build your first game. Go to the official Unity website. Click on Download Unity Hub button that is at the top right corner. That will open the new tab. Now, click on Download Unity button. It'll begin downloading Unity Hub. Double click to open the installer. Set path of Unity Hub and click on Install button. It will begin installing Unity Hub. Now click on Finish button to open Unity Hub. We have a cool window of Unity Hub. Now click on Sign In button. If you have a Unity account already, I'll create a new one. As I already have a Unity account, I'll sign in. After signing in, we'll click on Agree button for Unity personal license. Click on Installs. In there, click on Install Editor. Now choose any suitable LTS version. I'll go with Unity 6.0. Now add the required modules. I'll go with Android, iOS, and Universal Window Platform, along with Visual Studio for C# scripting. After that, agree with terms and conditions of Unity Engine and click on Install button. When the installation finished, you will see your Unity version in Installs section. That is it from today's short tutorial from Devbyte. Small bytes, big skills. In the next video, we'll create your first project and explore the interface. Follow Devbyte Small Bytes, Big Skills.